Hey, this is Dustin with the Dustin Miller team. Wanted to talk to you about the Mortgage Credit Certificate Program, which is great for first-time home buyers here in Broward or Palm Beach County. So I want to cover some of the basics for you. That way you have some idea of how this thing works. And then when you're ready to take advantage of it, go ahead and give us a call so we can help you out. So basically, what does the MCC do? What this program does is it can help you qualify for a larger home or assist you in qualifying for a mortgage loan when you otherwise would not. What you're going to get is you're going to receive an income tax credit of up to $2,000, which equates to up to 50% of your mortgage interest on a yearly basis for up to 30 years, which looks like, on paper, $167 a month income or increased loan amount of $20,000. So let me explain this a little bit. Basically, when you're getting your mortgage financing together, you're going to be able to use the $2,000 or up to $2,000 a year to claim as income. And what that will allow you to do is when your mortgage loan officer is giving you a pre-approval letter, they're able to use that money to approve you for more home than you otherwise could afford, or you can just stick with whatever you already have and keep that extra money that comes at the end of the year in your pocket. So it's a really great program for anybody who needs a little extra push when it comes to their loan amount that they can get approved for, or if you just want to save $2,000 a year. So who qualifies for the MCC program? Well, in Broward County, you have to be a first-time home buyer, which doesn't mean that you've never owned a home. It just means that you haven't owned a home in the last 3 years. Borrowers who qualify for traditional mortgage financing, you still have to get a traditional loan in accord with this program. Veterans also qualify for this. They have way less guidelines for veterans, thank God. Borrowers purchasing a home less than $391,153, nice round number for you. And borrowers with the household income not exceeding, that's $85,920 for 1 to 2 family members, or $100,240 for 3+ family members. So if you're a husband, a wife, and 2 kids, then you would not be able to earn more than $100,240 in a single year to be able to qualify for the program. And the same way, your house price has to be less than $391,153, which is pretty good for first-time buyer programs. A lot of the ones in the past, the income limits were below $40,000, $30,000 sometimes. It was very hard for anybody to even qualify for them. With Palm Beach County, most of this is the same, the difference being that the purchase price in Palm Beach County is actually $381,375, so a little bit less. And then the income amount is actually a little bit more. So for a 1 to 2 family member household, you can earn up to $90,480. And then for 3+ family members, you can earn up to $105,560. So otherwise, the program is the same. So what's needed on your behalf as a home buyer? You need to provide 3 years of tax returns. We can actually use tax transcripts that we can pull for you. A completed MCC application that gets turned into the county, which we can help you with. A completed first-time homebuyer course, which can be done online and there's no cost. And then obviously you need to be qualified for a mortgage, so you can get a traditional financing in addition to this incentive. And then lastly, a $300 issuance fee, which covers basically the administrative costs and overhead to make sure you get approved for this program, which is going to be paid at closing when you work with us. So disclaimer, obviously we're not accountants. This is actually a program where you're getting money back on your income tax, so obviously we don't know your tax situation, so please consult your CPA. As a borrower, you may be subject to a recapture tax. Very few people are actually going to be subject to it, but there is a possibility. And a borrower must have taxable income in order to receive this incentive, which I can't imagine you'd be getting a home loan without a taxable income. So take the next step. If you want to get more details and find out if you qualify for this particular program when you're buying your first home, please give us a call or an email at the information you see here on the screen. And we'll be glad to get you in the right hands and make sure your home buying purchase is the best experience you've ever had. Thank you and take care. God bless.